The May 2021 release of Ideate BIMLink is now available for Revit versions 2019 through 2022. In this video, we'll cover the top improvements for Ideate BIMLink. Be sure to review the What's New in Ideate Software video to learn about general improvements that also apply to Ideate BIMLink. Now, let's take a look at the exciting enhancements to Ideate BIMLink for the May 2021 release. A long-standing request from our customers and developers was the ability to gain access to the view title information. With the May 2021 release of Ideate BIMLink, we have added the ability to coordinate the view title location and line length. In addition, we've exposed color scheme assignments within the view properties that will allow you to apply the correct color scheme to a view for consistency across views. These two features are only available with Revit 2022 and later releases. For all Revit versions, we've added the ability to edit and review tag coordinates, such as the tagged head position plus the tagged element coordinate point. This allows you to easily review if tags have been significantly moved from the centroid of the tagged element. We've also added 5 new properties to allow you to review compound wall, floor, ceiling, and roof layers, enabling you to QC your system families to identify definitions that may be similar or duplicates. We've updated several quality control library links to include monitored data. The isOrphaned and isMonitoring properties are available for Revit elements that can contain those property conditions. Project base point, survey point, and internal origin coordinate data are now available for parent and linked files to ensure consistency across many Revit models. We've created a new Health Check Project Info Library link definition to easily review that information within your Revit project. You can now choose your own property or set of properties to use as a data key for importing information. This property must be unique for it to work as expected, so consider using properties that are required to be unique, such as sheet number, grid number, level name, family and type, or type marks. Let's take a look at an example using lighting fixtures and type marks, where we will export lighting fixtures by their type mark from an MEP Revit model with additional parameter data. This example could be used to map the more specific MEP light fixtures to an architectural model that has the same type marks but more generic light fixture data. We have created a number of new library link definitions with AK in the link name, signaling the alternate key method. Our lighting fixtures example is a delivered library link. This link already has the type mark as the data key, but you can right-click on the property to set the data key or clear the data key. Notice the column header in the preview will show blue to indicate the data key has been set to that property. I will now export the detailed MEP light fixture data to Excel with properties complete for manufacturer, model, lamp, and type comments. The family and type names are more specific in this MEP model, but we will see the type mark from the MEP model will match the type mark from the architectural model that has more generic fixtures. As I switch to the architectural model, you can see that manufacturer, model, lamp, and type comments have not been filled out in the lighting fixture schedule, and the architectural lighting fixtures are generic placeholders when I select on a fixture and review the information within the Revit Properties palette. Let's open Ideate BIMLink and import the MEP lighting fixture information that we exported from the MEP model. Previously, in Ideate BIMLink, the Revit element IDs would have to match to import data. As we are using 2 completely different Revit models, the Revit element IDs would never match. However, now with our alternate data key based on unique type marks, we can update the architectural model with very specific MEP lighting information. We can also drive geometry by swapping a generic architectural lighting fixture with a more specific MEP model if the family and type had been previously loaded into the architectural model. There are many exciting uses of this alternate data key, and this is just one example to show the power and flexibility. Ideate BIMLink has long had the ability to report on nested families that are driven by family type parameters. We've now made it possible to edit those family type parameters to drive Revit geometry. Within the Revit Properties palette, you can see that I can swap the nested panel family from solid to glass by changing the family type parameter. Let's use Ideate BIMLink to update all the door families. I can import an Excel file where I've already set the family type parameter to my required nested glass panel. When I import the information from Excel, Ideate BIMLink will update the Revit geometry to reflect the new nested family that is set by the family type parameter within the door. There are two ways to access the latest release of Ideate Software. From within any of the Ideate Software products, you can find updates via the Help menu as shown. You can also visit ideatesoftware.com/download to retrieve any software updates and trial versions of our products. Finally, be sure to review the What's New in Ideate Software video to learn about general improvements that also apply to Ideate BIMLink. From the entire Ideate Software team, thank you so much for reviewing this What's New in Ideate BIMLink video.